6 things that people in touch with their intuition do differently. They listen to their bodies. Intuitive people learn to tune into their bodies and heed their gut feelings. If you ever started feeling sick to your stomach when you knew something was wrong but couldn't put your finger on what, you understand that intuitions can cause physical sensations in the body. Our gut feelings are called gut feelings for a reason. Research suggests that emotion and intuition are very much rooted in the second brain in the gut. They take time for solitude. If you want to get in touch with your intuition, a little time alone may be thinking. It can also help us connect to our deepest inner wisdom. You have to be able to have a little bit of solitude, a little bit of silence, she says. In the middle of craziness, you can't recognize intuition. Above all of the noise of everyday life, they create. Creativity does its best work when it functions intuitively, writes researcher and author Carla Wolf. In fact, creative people are highly intuitive, explains Burnham. And just as you can increase your creativity through practice, you can boost your intuition. In fact, practicing one may build up the other. They practice mindfulness. Meditation and other mindfulness practices can be an excellent way to tap into your intuition. As the Search Inside Yourself Leadership Institute explains, mindfulness can help you filter out mental chatter. Weigh your options objectively, tune into your intuition, and ultimately make a decision that you can stand behind completely. They observe everything. First thing to do is notice. Keep a little journal and notice when all things happen. Burnham says you'll gain a keen sense for how often coincidences, surprising connections, and on-the-dot intuitions occur in your daily life. In other words, you'll start to tap into your intuition. They pay attention to their dreams. Burnham recommends paying attention to your dreams as a way to get in touch with your mind's unconscious thinking processes. Both dreams and intuition spring from the unconscious, so you can begin to tap into this part of your mind by paying attention to your dreams. At night, when you're dreaming, you're receiving information from the unconscious or intuitive part of your brain, says Burnham. If you're attuned to your dreams, you can get a lot of information about how to live your life.